My people, we need to be very, very careful. We need to be very, very careful. Mostly we when we like party, when we like to any small we don't organize party, any small we don't organize party. My people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time coming across this channel, please subscribe. Do where to subscribe this channel. I bring news, I bring anything I see, anything my hand means I bring her. My today topic is this woman, this our beautiful sisters, yeah. She they do marriage, they do party of marriage. My people, now see what the little video about them. You know, this is why they always they bring this all those videos. Your opinion counts, my opinion counts, and the remaining of folks and the remaining people out there, if they come across this kind of video, your opinion, many people they read comment. Like me, I know who sabi read, I know who sabi write. If I they watch all those kind of video, I they read comments, so now me read comment packs, you know. At least you must pick something for inside. You understand? You can't just know everything all. You need other people's opinion, you know. My people, this woman, she dey dance, oh, she dey dance. Bright now, Abby. What now they call her? New wedded marriage wife. They dance. They dance. My people, now one woman. He pay me say they not show the woman face well, and God will bless. That's why I played. I think I hear Christian music for the beginning. No weapon will form against the children of God. They will never prosper. Any evil arrow, we rebuke it back to the sender. Wherever they are gathered, if not be the name of God they used to gather, they gather in darkness. Holy Ghost fire, and it goes scatter them. My people, you know me, I always they bring I will bring my opinion. You will bring your own opinion. The reason why I bring this video comments, it's as this bride, this bride they dance, she dance. Now one witch, I call that woman witch. Yes, I call her. They're supposed to call her in question. They're supposed to disgrace her. You know, as she that eye now in one blind, but God, as far as God don't expose her, anything when she planned back to the sender to her head. Because although you get one video when you see trend for social media one time, when one woman go carry sand for person house. Then they dance. When one woman carry money, they pray, put they use and they romance the woman stomach. You know, now where they want targets, now that they do. Like, okay, as they call this your eye, no, use and see this house. This woman, they spray. As she just carry one money, she just put her. And you, the sister, when they dance, person just carry money, just use and they do your face, You not confident tap and say, madam, what do you they do? You want blind by face? What do you use that mean? You they see social media, those things when they bring up for social media. So people will say social media they destroy home. Now, how you take with yourself? Social media can destroy home, it can repair your home. Imagine some people when they never do marriage now, when they want to do anything celebration, they want to celebrate, and see December period. They see this kind of video, and they see something similar. Maybe when they dance, somebody just carry money, just use and they do it their ear. I think they go, hold on, what do you use that mean? I don't understand that thing. He go drown. She or he go drown because many things on they see for social media now. Those days camera not there. Person no they know where hand enter body. But thank God for social media. Hey! Thank God for social media when God will bless. Thank God for those who God give wisdom to feel exploit, to feel bring a lot of things out. Now I make those things they happen. Those days they exist too. But many will not they see them because no social media to showcase. People like me when I sit down for here now they do tafia. That time never did. Now I don't mean now. Ask me they sit down they talk and I'm not they sit down they talk for that side. My people, I bring this thing come out. Please, my sister, if you out there, be very wise and smart. If you they do anything dance, you they crowd or maybe you dey do marriage, be very very careful. In first of all, even an answer say, I no want make anybody spray me. Who wan spray me? Spray am for ground. Or I no want make anybody spray. Who wan spray? Put am for envelope. For me, na so. I no want make you spray me, oh. Carry that your spray, hold am kitipa. If you wan spray me, put am for envelope. Or if you wan spray me, no spray me, oh. Spray am for ground. Yes. Make una come it now, even come na put am. Not say make come spray me. You see wetin that woman do when he put that thing for that girl eye. She will never succeed. We don't already see her. We don't dey rebuke her. Many people, I will read comment for now. How people tell they, in fact, they revise am back to the sender. You the setter. You the I trust my commenters. You the setter. Get out. Back to the sender. People can they pray put my people. I go read the comment for now. Now I love to read comments. Please be very careful if you they do anything and celebrate. You they celebrate. Be very wise and be smart, because Africa, we are strong. Yes, we are strong. I never even work out for Europe. Mostly this France why they say they will come, they dance, they spray. Why Africa we like spray? That's since I don't see come for another place. I'm sorry. Oh, don't come for me. No, don't come for me. No, not come for the that no, not argue. No, not follow that talk. Why? Why will they say spray? If we both do something, an envelope, gift, neither they give. I beg. May we emulate all those things. And if you still give gifts from Africa people, they see struggle. They will put her for inside that gift. They say if you just open her, or if you should use her. No weapon formed against her shall ever prosper. Back to the sender, my people. That woman, any evil plan, when she planned, she don't already use her hand. They put her for her head. May we go straight to our comment section. I know I love to read comment. This person say, evil everywhere. They should hunt the woman. Wow. He said, make they hunt that woman. Make they hunt her. Make they not let her come out. And investigate her. That is true. I pray make the girl see this one. The other one say, Ekwesu with her nonsense 15 naira notes. You they see her? That's so speech. That is suspicious. Enough. I hope another camera carry the person. That is true. I hope another camera carry that woman. He said, over sabi friend, kind woman, just enjoy her money before she can let it go. And you read another meaning to it. Negative people. Wow, who be this one? I don't want to ask your name for my. What do you they talk? You know, they see some people they use money till they price person. And then people go do marriage, they will start to they look for the fruit of womb. Some people they will pack sand. What do they tell? Say people, you don't see that one. That one too obvious now. I been na you do. I been na your mama do. I beg you, make you pack well. She be say this without be told. You will see what this woman do. He carry money. They use and they won't get eye. Now that eye you want blind and God no let time succeed. You and that woman no succeed. Just a normal happy mood where evil take enter. I spray wahala and no spray wahala. Oh, this one say now say the same person, no. This not the same person, no. He get gaga for head, though. You know spray. Now if they want spray, you know they see other people when they spray. See this commenter, maybe na mama or na sister or na relation. You know they say as other people take they spray. You know they say as other people. You ask your mama or your papa or your witch, your colleague in a place. As you just do one like now, see, I think now they see the video. As you just do one like this, they do one like this. That one makes sense, my people. That one, I bet not just spray me. Oh, carry that your spray, they go. Holy Ghost fire. Anywhere demons gather, Holy Ghost fire pursue them. They gather in my name. Oh, Holy Ghost fire pursue them. Yes, anywhere they gather, let the Holy Ghost fire consume them. What do you they talk? Back where? Come on my side. She they talk. Say, I thought she was trying to remove the lawyer of makeup with the money to see the real person on that net. To see the real person on that net. Oh, I am even more concerned with the bride dress. It scream Olosho get married. This is my commenter, they can make me laugh sometimes. We said, one say, that was how during my mother-in-law funeral last year, one of him auntie dad relative came up and wanted to spray him 200 naira. She wanted to place this money on his chest or face. he was, yes, my phone off. If not see the I don't know. Okay, let's go straight. Let me end it like this. Is that how to spray money? Okay, let me stop it there. The first one I said that was how during my mother-in-law funeral. I hope I'll place and I'll read them. Yes, so my people, be very, very careful. Let me just shut it like this. Be very, very careful. Okay, you don't know who is who. If you celebrate anything, be very careful and be prayerful. Always call your God. Always, I remember my, in fact, Prophet TB Joshua, I mean, so rest in peace. How can I forget you? And as far as I'm living, your word is still living in me. Yes, you make me to, to believe in God. You preach, you encourage. You don't preach about what, you preach about forgiveness and how to, follow the step of God. With that, I love you wherever you are. Remember, I am loyal. I still love you. Forgiveness. Maybe this woman offend her, nobody know, or maybe she not just like the lady. You understand? Be very careful. He said some people that will take say they like you they celebrate. He said when you they celebrate, some people give you gift. That gift, you need strong pastor. You need to pray hard. You need to do prayer. If not yourself, do prayer, because you don't know who is who. If God open this your eye, you careful wherever, anywhere we did. Now that's what I mean. Day after, if you they celebrate, do fasting, pray. Yes, pray, do fasting and prayer. Call your God, invite your God into that part when you want to. Let God present be flow before you go ahead, so that anything when the enemy go plan, it will backfire. Maybe this woman now, this our sister now, maybe her husband or her mother-in-law or her mother, they be strong prayer warrior people. That's why God expose her. You know, see, when one can say, "Madam, what did you spray? You want to remove him?" That's not how to spray without be told. If you not be say now something he use do. Let's go straight to another topic. Yes, my people. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please thank you all my returning subscribers. I appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, child, you can watch this my video. You go see for up. We don't cast last. Now everybody go to breakfast.